Hey, good day kabarangay. Welcome to Box Sophia. Mainit. Today I'd like to share with you some one-liners. This is walking the talk. Yeah, let's walk the talk. Let's walk the talk. Let's walk the talk. Let's walk the talk. Yeah, not just do it. Think first before doing it. Once you decided, once you have thought many times, you have think over about it. Not just think once, twice, 3 times. Sabi nga ni Detective Mac sa CIS, measure it twice, cut it once. Profound. Single liner niya. And so, here we go. First thing first. And so, this is first thing first. So here it is. Walk the talk. First thing first. Measure it twice. Cut it once. Yan pang isang assignment ko today. This morning. Well, I have had those this morning. I only have one to do. One thing to do. Yeah. I love sunlight. Fresh air. Ang fresh air, bonus na lang yun because of the sunlight. I have all the light, the sunlight today, this morning. Yeah. And yeah, kind of retiring my walking cane, but not so far. First thing first. Ganun, diba? Hallelujah. Welcome to Box Sophia.